one bending up between these two.
I don't think Batista's through yet.
Oh, no.
There's a lot to take Batista.
Wow.
Oh, man. Powerbomb time. Oh, gut wrench into a powerbomb. Sit out powerbomb. Oh, man. Batista.
Here. Batista now hooking up. Set down. An outstanding young athlete. Falling prey to that man. A real animal. And this is one man that even makes Batista look average. And Batista is extraordinary.
Look at this battle strength. Look out.
Batista set down. Overpowered.
Did you see that?
100-pounder got Spinebuster.
Is that thing superhuman?
Cleaning out the darkest corner of my mind, taking all my full circle, making straight lines, and getting to the bottom.